In this video, we are going to look on how to convert long video to short video using AI. First, open up your web browser and search weed.io. Click on Start for free. Create or log in to your weed.io account. Once you log in, click on Create New Project. Then click on Upload Files to upload the video you want to convert. So I have uploaded a video that I want to convert, as you can see here. On the left side in Project Settings, under Size, click here and choose the option YouTube Shorts, which has the ratio of 9:16. You don't need to change any other settings, and click on Done. Then click on Export Video. You can view the preview of your video here. And click here. Then click here to download the video. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.